Hey guys, Dupes here. Today we are playing with my Accuracy International. It is in a MPA BA Comp chassis. I am a unicorn. I have one of the very few out there that are doing this. This is an AI AT rifle. I debonded it, moved over to this chassis more for competition use. The normal stock chassis was great for prone shooting and everything that the rifle was intended to do. However, for competition PRS, KYL type stuff, this chassis is so much better suited. But today the test is we have a Grayops CNC standard AW mag. This is a full steel CNC'd AW magazine. It's got 13 round capacity. It's got windows for 10 and 12 rounds. And this will be the first 11 rounds through it just to test it out. It's going to be a 10 round group for a low development. But I got one fouler in there just because I did cold bore rather. All right, there's our fouler. Now I'm going to shoot my group. This test is mainly just for low development, but also to check the magazine for function. Well, she runs smooth as silk. Grayops CNC, standard AW magazine, 13 round. Pick one up, guys. They're fantastic. Thanks.